Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So this is test one of the new mic. Um, I'm sitting about roughly 4 feet away from the microphone right now. I've got my settings on my iMac for its mic gain to about half, and basically what I've done is I've turned the mic gain control on the microphone about 3 turns basically, so I guess it becomes something like about a full revolution, I guess, and a half or something like that. But anyways, I'm going to play a little bit on the guitar. And our first test, of course, is going to be from about 4 feet. And we'll see, what its level is like. So... Okay, so now I'm going to move across the other side of my room here, and we'll see how it picks up. So now I'm about, I'd say close to 8 feet from the mic, about 7 to 8 feet, more closer to about 7, I think. So let's try some vocals in there and see how the vocals come out at this distance. Okay, so now we're going to do the same test, but now sitting back to original spot, about 3 feet from the mic. And I'll just do the same tune. Okay, so next test, we're going to turn the mic gain up a little bit more. And that is going to be full blast for the mic gain. Okay, so start at 3 feet. Okay, same test again from a distance. So we're in between that 7 and 8 foot range. I wanna serve Okay, so for our next test, and the reason I'm doing this particular song, not only because it's one I wrote, I like this song a lot, and it's I can project my vocals really well with it, but it is one that I also wrote. This way YouTube can't grab at me for, you know, using somebody else's stuff. Anyway, so our next little thing we're going to do here is I'm going to go into my system preferences, and I'm going to turn the mic up more. And so now my mic is at 3/4. And I'm not going to push it any further than that, but 3/4 I think is good. We're going to leave the gain at full blast, where it is right now, and do the next test. Okay, so that's close up, so let's try that further away now. Okay guys, so I'm going to go preview this now and see what I think of it. And then I'm going to give you my findings on the whole total scenario of what I really think about this microphone. One of the things for recording live open like this with my Mac is when I run my studio equipment, I have it going, and my only recording input device is my Mac with a microphone, because I don't have a USB output ported mixer. Okay, so I can't hook my mixer into my iMac. And I wanted a really good quality microphone that can absorb that sound and do it really well. Okay, now I also have the foam guard on the microphone as well, so that actually really does help your sound quality too. I'm going to preview this, and so don't go away. This is all one video, and I'll tell you what I think of this thing. Okay? Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So it's review time on this new microphone. It's the Apex 555. This is a really nice mic. It is so well built, like the stand and everything. The legs fold right down straight, which is really cool. And the height is adjustable here. You just loosen off the collar, adjust your height. And then you can adjust your angle here, just loosen off this screw. And you can adjust your height angle on it. It's kind of nice. It does have a decibel reduction area. So if you need to lower the dBs, by 10 dBs, you can do that. Headphone jacks, you can listen to yourself as you're doing your recording. I haven't tried that feature because I don't have any headphones for it, but I really don't need the feature anyway. It does have its own volume control for that as well, and it's got this monitor dial as well, which it's part of that. And then of course your mic gain. Now this is the foam cover that comes with it to go over top of the mic, and that reduces a lot of wind and stuff, especially if you're close enough to the mic and you're singing into it. It does have a standard thread on it too for a microphone stand, which I'm going to buy another microphone stand. I've got one already with a mic on it, but I don't want to disrupt it. But the other thing is I'm going to get a USB extension cable, even though this cable is really long. What I want to be able to do when I'm recording music is I want to put it in the center of the room, basically, and put it at the appropriate height to what my speakers are going to be, because I'm going after a set of Yorkville powered speakers with stands, and they are going to replace the Mustang 1 V2 amps that I've been using on my system. So now I can free up those amplifiers, which means I can also eliminate some more amps out of here that I don't really need. You know, I am going to keep my PV Backstage and my Edition 20, but I think I'm going to get rid of the Fender DSP amp because I really don't need a ton of amplifiers. But it's been nice having them, and I do like using a couple of these amps here and there, you know, and but I also, like, now that I'll have the Mustangs freed up, I see no point in having too many extra amps. Like, even just, you know, I'll have them set up, you know, kind of like show and tell type of thing. You know, people like that, I guess, when they come in, especially my students. Anyway, so the Mustang amps will be freed up. So I'm going to get the Yorkville speakers, and the stands for them, the cables, everything I need. And of course, this microphone, I listened to my playback on it from what I recorded for you guys, and I am so freaking impressed. It is crazy. I really like this microphone. I have since turned down the gain on my computer, and I turned the gain down a little bit on the mic. You know, just to, you know, rebalance things a little bit. And I got to tell you, it's a very, very impressive microphone. And the sound quality that it can reproduce is just equally really, really good. You know, I mean, you do kind of get what you pay for sometimes, you know. Now, if you looked at my unboxing video, you'll know what comes in the box. It has a case for the microphone and that sort of jazz, but it is USB hookup. It's not a XLR system or anything like that. Now, I have seen some wireless mic kits, and I thought about looking into them a little bit and seeing if they have the same kind of plug-in for the mic. But if not, I'll probably have to go, you know, maybe wireless on my Shure mic, because it's XLR. But certainly for the computer, and being able to record direct into the computer through my studio system is going to be like a night and day difference, especially from that snowball mic that I've had for the longest time now. But I mean, it's pretty much done for anyhow, and I believe I mentioned it too, is I talked to the company about it because it's not performing the same way it used to, and I haven't been able to do anything about it. And of course, their warranty idea was, you know, send us in the mic, we'll put it through our testing, and then we'll either, you know, if we find there is a problem, we'll replace it. Well, obviously there's a problem, you know, and I could send you a video to show you the problems, you know, and you'd get the gist of it. But no, they don't. And so I got to send it to the States, and yet I bought it in Canada. And I think this one I bought at the Source. I'm not sure if I bought this at the Source or Best Buy. I think it was the Source. But anyways, regardless of the fact, you know, the snowball mic has done well until it messed up. And it's just not the same anymore. And I need better input from a microphone and better quality sound production than what the snowball mic can offer me. So I figured, well, you know what, I might as well pull the trigger, and I really love the sound of this microphone, guys. In fact, I'm using it right now to record this video with my voice. And you know, it is nice. So just to go over quickly one last time of the features, in case you didn't catch the unboxing: studio quality 32 millimeter gold sputtered Caroid capsule, USB 2.0 16-bit 192 kilohertz output, integrated stereo headphone output with level and mix controls, microphone input gain control. Now that's the really important feature of this that I really like, because I can add gain above, like even with my Mac at half for its input, I can turn the gain up and you'll hear a difference in my voice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's full blast gain now. And you know, so that's a difference. You know, it's a good difference. It helps. It's, you know, having that gain is there, and I can further add more because the Mac, like I said, it's only set at half right now, and I could actually set the Mac at 3/4, which I'll do right now for you as well. And I know you've heard some of this already from the beginning of the video, but right now I'm at 3/4 level on the Mac in the system preferences for the mic. So that again, that's you. I'm watching my meters on my video, and it's like boom, boom. You know, it's like topping them out. So now I can turn the gain down a little bit. I don't have to have it so high, and I get a better balance. So eventually, I'm going to find the perfect balance with this, and it'll be great. Anyways, rugged zinc and aluminum chassis, which they're talking about the stand, stainless steel, wire mesh windscreen, hardtail. Microphone stand mount and USB cable included. Now they don't say the length of the cable, but it's really long, which is cool. Compact desktop microphone stand included, compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems. And you know, you can check these out at your local Long mcquade, or you know, check out Amazon or wherever, see who carries it. It's the Apex 555. You can go right to their website, apexelectronics.com. You know, but I think for $189 Canadian, I'm thinking this thing's worth every single penny. And I gotta tell you, you know, Friday payday hits, I'm buying this thing. You know, I am that impressed with it, that happy with it. You know, and I'm very impressed with the quality of the sound reproduction, even coming from my small little Fender guitar that I used, you know, for this video, you know, for the test. You know, that's not a very high output guitar, you know, unless you're plugged in, and it was just straight raw, you know, just raw acoustic footage, not plugged in. And you know, it's like, wow, that is nice. I really like that. So anyway, that's where I'm at. 4 3/4 out of 5 for the star rating as far as I'm concerned, and it deserves every single one of them. And you know, hey, half a star, it ain't perfect. You know, nothing ever is perfect. And you know, I even like the style of it. You know, the style is kind of really cool. You know, it's almost a little nostalgic in a sense, but you know, and without the windscreen on there, you know, it still looks pretty cool. Although I kind of like it better with the windscreen, but you know, it's nice. It's a really cool stand, and it's a cool microphone. It's just all around, to me it's a great product. You know, that's all I can say. And like I said, I'm gonna buy this on Friday when I go back and see them, and say, yep, I'll take it. And while I'm at it, I'll be picking up my new sound system to hook into my mixer and get that taken care of with any luck. Get that done, and then it's on to buying more RC toys. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching and checking out this review. Hope you enjoyed it and the information was good for you. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and then click on that bell for more updates from my channel. So as I put up new videos, you'll get updates to that. In the meantime, thanks very much, and we'll catch you on the next one. Ciao for now.